Pranab Mukherjee continues to seek support from all possible quarters for the presidential elections. The left parties have so far chosen to stay mum on the choice of their candidate. Now, congratulating Mukherjee for his nomination but guaranteeing no support. It is yet to be seen what strategy these parties come up with in their meeting that's going to be held today.
Even as the BJP hopes to give the UPA a fight and contest Pranab Mukherjee's presidential bid, it is the left parties that have been closely monitoring the politicking that has unfolded in the run-up to the nominations, naming nobody, giving out no hints and refusing to be drawn into a debate.
This is not a game of names, and therefore I think it is not our role today to say that we prefer this or that or the other candidate.
As the four constituents of the left get ready to congregate, sources say there exists a deep divide that could lead to an NDA-type deadlock situation. Sources say while the left would draw reference to 1996 when Jyoti Basu failed to become a united choice of the United Front government, at the same time they contend backing Pranab could soften the stand the left has taken against Pranab's economic policies.
No, we are not keeping mum. We have made it clear on 21st we are meeting. We will consult among us. The left parties will take a view, then decide what left should do.
4 years after the sacking of Somnath Chatterjee, there still exists bitter feelings among the natural allies. At the same time, Pranab could not be the favoured choice, keeping in mind how he has been the constant target of the left on the issue of price rise.
Sir, about the presidential candidate, sir,
21st.
Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Sir?
21st.
What, sir?
We'll meet on 21st.
The left parties are, however, acutely aware of the growing rift between Congress and the TMC, and backing Pranab could be an ideal opportunity to further isolate Mamta. At the same time, the left could rewind back to 2008 to hold Pranab responsible for the failure of the joint committee talks on the nuclear deal.
For the presidential poll slated next month, the UPA has appealed to all political parties to support the candidature of Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. And to take a decision on that, senior leaders of the left parties would be meeting on Thursday. But the question remains whether the left parties would go ahead and support Mr. Mukherjee for a consensus, or they could support another candidate who could be Purno Sangma.
The left parties combined amount to 4.7% of the votes on the floor of the House, and could be the push the Congress needs in what has become a prestige battle. Will Pranab Mukherjee be the obvious choice for the left, or will they offer another unexpected turn to the race to the Raisina Hill? Bureau Report, Times Now.